Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing Introduction to Trigonometry Applied Questions. So today's section I am going to start from 24th. In a bracket tan b plus cot b whole square minus tan b minus cot b whole square is equal to 4. So here they given LHS. Write down. LHS is equal to, in a bracket, tan b plus cot b whole square minus tan b minus cot b whole square. So now observe here, tan b plus cot b whole square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, and this expand form is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? And see here it is in the form of a minus b whole square, so that expand form is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now apply here, it will become here tan square b plus cot square b plus 2ab means 2 tan b cot b, and minus tan square b plus cot square b minus 2 tan b cot b, right? So now here tan square b plus cot square b plus 2 tan b cot b as it is, and now this minus multiplication to this whole term. So here the plus become a minus and minus become a plus. So now minus into tan square b is minus tan square b, and minus into cot square b is minus cot square b, and minus into minus 2 tan b cot b become a plus 2 tan b cot b. So here plus 2 tan b cot b, and observe here, see here is a plus 2 tan b and here is a minus 2 tan b, these two get cancelled, and here plus cot square b and here minus cot square b, these two get cancelled, and remaining term 2 tan b cot b and here plus 2 tan b cot b. Write down that one, 2 tan b cot b plus 2 tan b cot b. So now add these two, we got here 4 tan b cot b, and now so 4 as it is and tan b also as it is, into cot b you can write 1 divided by tan b, because we know that cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, and now here tan get cancelled, so remaining 4, so this is equal to RHS. So see here the given RHS is 4 and we proved here 4. hence proved. Is it clear? So well students, the next problem in 25th, sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 into sec theta minus tan theta plus 1 is equal to 2 tan theta. So LHS is equal to sec theta plus tan theta minus 1, and here sec theta minus tan theta plus 1. Now rewrite this equation. Sec theta plus tan theta minus 1, I will make it is one term and this one is one term, and here also sec theta. So in these two term I will take minus outside, so minus tan become a plus tan theta, and plus 1 become a minus 1. Observe here is a sec theta plus tan theta minus 1, and here sec theta minus tan theta minus 1. So I will consider here this one is A and this one is B, and similarly here A and here B. So it is in the form of A plus B and A minus B, right? A plus B and A minus B. It is X form of A square minus B square. So now this one we can write x square theta minus tan theta minus 1 whole square. So I will write here A square means sec square theta minus B square. In a B square place we have tan theta minus 1 whole square. Is it clear? And now here, so see here is a tan theta minus 1 whole square. It is in the form of A minus B whole square, and this X form is A square plus B square minus 2AB. So now we got here sec square theta as it is minus in a bracket A square means tan square theta plus B square means 1 square is a 1, and minus 2AB 2 tan theta bracket complete. And now here sec square theta as it is, and this minus multiple by this whole term, so minus into tan square theta become a minus tan square theta, and minus into plus 1 is a minus 1, and minus into minus 2 tan theta become a plus 2 tan theta. Is it clear? And now here we have one identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So now this tan comes in a RHS side, this become a minus. So here 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Is it clear? So instead of this sec square theta minus tan square theta, we can write 1 here. So this is sec square theta minus tan square theta, we can write 1, and minus 1 as it is plus 2 tan theta. Now here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, so remaining here 2 tan theta. So this is equal to RHS, hence proved. So see here the given RHS is 2 tan theta, and we proved here 2 tan theta, hence proved. Is it clear? So well students, the next problem, 26th one, 1 plus cot square A divided by 1 plus cosec A is equal to cosec A. LHS is equal to 1 plus cot square A divided by 1 plus cosec A. Now that one identity, 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A, and this 1 comes in a RHS side, this become a minus. So here cot square A is equal to cosec square A minus 1. So instead of this cot square A, we can write cosec square A minus 1. Now here we got 1 plus cosec square A minus 1, and this divided by cosec A plus 1. 1 plus cosec A or cosec A plus 1, both are same, right? The 1 we can write 1 square. 1 square is also 1. So now here, observe here is a cosec square A minus 1 square. So it is in the form of A square minus B square. So A square minus B square exponent form is A minus B and A plus B. So now apply here, it will become here 1 plus A minus B and A plus B, means cosec A minus 1 and cosec A plus 1, and this divided by cosec A plus 1. And observe here is a cosec A plus 1 and here also cosec A plus 1. Both are same, get cancelled. So now write down remaining term 1 plus cosec A minus 1, and now here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So remaining cosec A. So this is our RHS, hence proved. So see here. So see here, the given RHS is cosec A.
Well students, the next problem 27th one, sin A plus cos A, in a bracket tan A plus cot A is equal to sec A plus cosec A. So here they given LHS is equal to, in a bracket, sin A plus cos A, tan A plus cot A. So using this LHS we want to prove RHS. So here first write down sin A plus cos A as it is, and here tan A we can write sin A divided by cos A, and plus cot A we can write cos A divided by sin A. So now here sin A plus cos A as it is, and here make a cross multiplication, sin into sin, sin square A plus cos into cos, cos square A, and this divided by cos A into sin A. And now here sin A plus cos A as it is, and here in a bracket sin square A plus cos square A is a 1, it is a standard identity, and this divided by cos A into sin A, right? So now here remaining sin A plus cos A, and this divided by cos A into sin A. So now write in separately. It becomes sin A divided by cos A sin A, and plus cos A divided by cos A into sin A. Now here sin A get cancel, and here cos A get cancel. Remaining terms 1 divided by cos A plus 1 divided by sin A. So 1 divided by cos A we can write sec A, plus 1 divided by sin A we can write cosec A. So it is our RHS. Hence proved. So see you. One RHS is sec A cosec A, and here we proved sec A plus cosec A. Well students, the next problem 28th one, cos A into cosec A minus sin A into sec A divided by cos A plus sin A is equal to cosec A minus sec A. So first write down here LHS. LHS is equal to cos A into cosec A minus sin A into sec A, this divided by cos A plus sin A, right? So now here cos A as it is, cosec A we can write 1 divided by sin A minus sin A as it is, and sec A we can write 1 divided by cos A, and this divided by we have cos A plus sin A as it is. And now here this one we can rewrite cos A divided by sin A, and minus sin A divided by cos A. These two are in multiplication, and this divided by cos A plus sin A as it is. And now here make cross multiplication. Cos A into cos A become cos square A, and minus sin A into sin A sin square A, and this divided by sin A into cos A, and this whole divided by cos A plus sin A is there. And now here observe this one, cos square A minus sin square A, it is in the form of A square minus B square. So this expand form is A minus B, A plus B, right? So now it will become here A minus B means cos A minus sin A, and A plus B means cos A plus sin A, and this divided by sin A into cos A as it is. And now here divided by cos A plus sin A is there. That division we can write here in a multiplication. That time it become 1 divided by cos A plus sin A. Now observe here, here is a cos A plus sin A, and here also cos A plus sin A. These two get cancelled. So now write down remaining terms. So that is cos A minus sin A, this divided by sin A cos A. Is it clear? So write here separately, this become cos A divided by sin A into cos A, and minus sin A divided by sin A into cos A. Cos A get cancelled, and here sin A get cancelled. So remaining terms here 1 divided by sin A minus 1 divided by cos A. So 1 divided by sin A we can write cosec A. Write down cosec A minus divided by cos A we can write sec A. So this is our RHS. So see here the given RHS is cosec A minus sec A, and here we proved cosec A minus sec A. Hence proved. Is it clear?